Okay.
Alright, what's up guys? So this is going to be the how to install the CLUB86 sticker. To all the guys who just purchased, please follow these directions so that you can ensure that you get a good application. So you're going to take the sticker, it's going to come like this with the masking tape and the back side of the sticker itself. You're going to put it down on a flat surface, take a card, and you're going to scrape it along the top of all of the letters. Scrape it pretty hard so that you can see the outline of the letters themselves. Go around and around until you see the outline of it. This will ensure that your sticker will come off correctly. So then you're going to peel it off up like that. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to pull it off. See how the letters come off? Take your time, go slow, make sure you're hitting all the edges, and it'll come off just like this. So then you're going to prepare your surface. You're going to take these letters, find out where you want them. Once you go like this, you'll see through them like that. You see the letters, and then find out where you want them, and then you're going to put it onto your Corolla or whatever car. Make sure you clean your surface. We're just using this as an example right now. Clean your surface, put it on, and what you're gonna have to do afterwards is use your card again, and this ensures that it rides the top of the letters and it pushes it down, and it'll give you a good release. So kind of angle it like this and it'll come off. Go slow. There you go. And if you follow those instructions, you'll be able to apply your sticker perfectly. Thanks to everybody who's purchased and who's going to be purchasing.